Whether you take an out-of-court settlement or take your case to trial is a difficult question. It involves weighing the costs, benefits, and risks of each option. Now, while none of us have a crystal ball, your attorney may be able to give you some information about the likelihood your case would be successful in court. Your attorney will evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of your case and talk to you about the costs of taking it all the way through trial. If the total value of your case is likely to be less than what it would cost to litigate it, then going to court may not make financial sense. Still, many people highly value their day in court, and there can be tremendous psychological benefits of pursuing your case in the name of justice. Know this: if you go to court, no matter how strong of a case you present, there is no telling how a judge or jury will respond. Even the strongest of cases from a legal perspective have been lost on juries, and even the best attorneys haven't been able to persuade judges on certain issues. On the other hand, if you don't go to court, would you always wonder what if? Would you wonder if you settled for too small an amount? Well, at the end of the day, it's a risk either way, so you should take an honest evaluation of what you really hope to achieve by going to court. Take some time to think about what would be your ideal result. Nothing can undo whatever wrong was done to you, but you can possibly get some compensation for your injuries or pursue what you believe to be right by going to court. For more information, talk to an attorney today about your legal situation and what might be the best options to achieve your desired result.